Jay Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atme Green School, Standard 5th, subject GK. Now we are studying the facts of life, and I am telling you that if you are standing, you are start to lose your balance, then you use your arms to regain your balance. So you can practice it, or you can experience it. Stand on a rope, or otherwise stand on a we can say small width of wood, or then if you imbalancing thing, and if you want to balance, so what will be the your first activity? So you will stretch your arms so that you can balance your body. Okay, but in monkeys, in some situation they use their tail. Okay, so it is true. Camels sway from side to side when they walk because lift of both their legs on one side at the same time. So it is true. So see, first, did you know a woodpecker can pick as quickly as 20 times within a second? So I think if anyone has seen woodpecker, then he can understand. He can better know what here tell. So he is very fast, tuck 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 on the wood, and he is doing his work very fastly. That's why his name is woodpecker. So kiwi is the only bird with nostrils at the end of its beak. Unlike most of the other birds, it hunts by smell. Yeah, it's true. Tiny drops of pinkish liquid ooze from the skin of the hippopotamus. This oil prevents its skin from dying and also protect it from the sunburn. Yeah, these are the some smaller but important information given here. See, find out. Name the three birds of prey, birds that spend a lot of time on or near water, creature that can swim as well as walk or run. So it is very interesting to find out such type of animals, birds. Okay, so do this activity. Fine. So in the two chapters we study about our birds and animals. So let's start to get knowledge about our great India. So most of the time we study about great Indian players, great Indian leaders, then cricketers, sports person. Then we study about our states, their famous things, famous personalities. Now in this chapter we are studying about the great Indian institutions. From the ancient time, so many great and famous institutions are there. So I know that is Takshashila, Nalanda, and so many universities are famous from ancient time. Okay, I think in Ramayana and Mahabharata you also learn about such type of universities. And in the recent also there are so many IITs centers are here, and so many scientists and we can say mathematicians are in our country. Okay, in the ancient times is there also Aryabhatta, then in the recent that is Homi Jahangir Bhabha, then so many scientists and mathematicians uh, are here. So let's start to know about our Indian institutions. Here is an oral quiz on some famous educational institution in India. This school is in Lucknow, was founded by the respected educationist Jagdish Gandhi and Bharati Gandhi. It promotes the world peace and organizes many international meets every year. It has more than 45,000 students. Name this school. It is City Montessori School. Okay, now next, if you want to become an engineer, you could try and get into one of the IIT in India. what does the IIT stands for? So IIT means Indian Institute of Technology. I will repeat again because it is written in the small letters. Okay, Indian Institute of Technology. Okay, so in which cities or towns are the IIT located? So it is very lengthy answer, that's why I have written on the next page. So I will, first of all I will show you that answer and then we will continue next. So these are the cities, or we can say towns, where the IITs is there in India. Okay, New Delhi, Mumbai, Kharagpur, Kanpur, Guwahati, Chennai, Roorkee, then Varanasi, Dhanand, then Hyderabad, Patna, Bhubaneswar, Gandhinagar, Jodhpur, Ropar, Mandi, Indore, Palakkad, Tirupati, Vilai, Goa, Jammu and Dharwad. Get it? Fine. So let's study the next question. Okay, I'm sorry. If you want to become a manager in a reputed company, you could try and get it into one of the IMS in India. So what does IMS stand for? Once again, it is a short form, that is Indian Institute of Management. Get it? And now same question, in which cities are the IIMS located? So let's see. Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Indore, Lucknow, Shillong, Kozhikode, Ranchi, Rohtang, Raipur, Tiruchirappalli, Udaipur, Kashipur, Sambalpur, Nagpur, Visakhapatnam, Bodh Gaya, Amritsar, Sirmaur and Jammu. Next, the school was one of the early co-educational institution in India. It was founded by Satikanta Guha, a great education, educationist, and is now run by the MP Birla Foundation in Kolkata. It has about 13,000 students. Name them. It is South Point. Then next, founded by Major General Claude Martin, this school is a historical importance in India. It has branch in Lucknow, Kolkata, Leon. Name the school. It is La Montessori. Then the eighth question. The school has branches in Bengaluru, Delhi, and Kolkata. It was founded by the famous Anglo-Indian lawyer after whom it is named. He was the member of parliament for more than 40 years. Name the school. It is Frank Anthony Public School. If you go to Madras Christian College to study, in which city you would be living? It's Chennai. Then in which city the famous St. Stephenson College located? It's New Delhi. Okay, so we are studying now about the famous institutions. Okay, now we will study the famous things in our beautiful and admiring states. Okay, so let's start. Identify these cities using the clues and options given in the box below. Then write the correct letters in each box given alongside. The name of this state means land of gems, that is Manipur. In Sanskrit, the name of this state means the land of snow. It is Himachal Pradesh. This state is divided in 2014. It is proposed new capital of Hyderabad. So it is not Amravati. So it is Andhra Pradesh. It is not